So good evening, everyone. Today we are discussing about the topic how we can post the document and how we can hold the document and how we can park the document at the time of document posting. So the using with the T codes, I'll explain. So first of all, log on the SAP server. Is ready password. So click on the user ID and enter the password. So then SAP server access it open. So now we are seeing SAP Easy Access server. So then today our topic is so at the time of essay, not only essay document, so essay document or KRA, customer invoice document as well as customer invoice clearing at the same time, vendor invoice document at the same time, vendor invoice clearing, whatever the document at the time of document posting, we at the time of document posting we can hold the document some of the situations or else we can park the document some of the situations. The main reason for the document holding and document parking, the main purpose, I'll explain. This is also one of the most important interview questions. So I'll explain one by one detail regarding this. So why we can hold the document and we can park the document. So I'll explain difference between the park document and hold document. So I'll explain park document is the part of approval purpose for the management. So, for example, one employee having the authorization limit, one employee having the authorization limit up to 1 lakh or 10 lakh, up to 1 lakh or 5 lakhs or 10 lakhs. So, but here now we are posting the document value is 10 lakhs. So, in this scenario, the employee he don't have the authority to post the document. Why? Because the employee having the up to 5 lakhs limit to the document posting purpose. So the employee can park the document. In this situation, the employee can park the document too. So after the document parked, the higher level authority. So further management they can check and post the document. Why? Because for the top level management to a top level employee, he's having the document posting authority up to 10 to 15 lakhs or 10 to 20 lakhs something. So this purpose we can park the document. So here I'll explain simply park document. It is for approval purpose for the management and whole document. So here whole document, whichever the document not having the proper information on the transaction, then we can hold the document. So in this scenario, I'll explain. For example, at the time of document posting, here we are having the physical document. So once we can check the physical document, each and every column uh, like um, like material name, whatever the vendor name, or customer name, vendor details, vendor bank, whatever vendor bank details, and repayment to methods, repayment for repayment to time. So whatever each and every document related information we required for. But some of the situations we don't have proper information regarding the particular document. So in this scenario, we can hold the document. So based on the whole document, we can so in this scenario, we can hold the document. So these purpose mainly at the time of document posting, we can use park document and hold document. So these are the T codes for the these are the different T codes for the document hold and document post. For example, display document display check. If we can check the document display using with FB03 and change line items, so FB09 GL line item display, FBL3 and display, and now we are going for the park document posting in double screen. So so park document posting in double screen T code is F-65, and now park document posting key in single screen is FBV0. So at the same time, we can use the document posting using with the FB50 also. We can park the document in the top of the screen. We are having it can we are having a document park option, and so how to post the document park document. So if we can park the document based on the park document, the document will change, the document will post it using with the FBV0. So then how to delete the whole document, FB11, how to post the whole document. So each and everything I'll explain one by one. So these are the T codes and most important T codes for the document related T codes. So like document after the document posting checking purpose, document checking purpose at the same time, park document delete purpose, park document post purpose at the same time, whole document delete purpose, whole document post purpose. We can use the different types of T codes. So each and everything I mentioned. So let's go to the SAP server. Close slash and FB15. So maybe server it can be sign out again. We need to log on the server. Click on the login pad, enter user ID and password. Continue. So then FB50 is the document posting in single screen. So this is the document essay document posting screen. So here we can check the company code and hold option and simulate and park editing option. So each and everything I'll explain detail. So before that, you can click on the tree on. So you can enter the tree on button, then automatically it shows the complete document posting screen, and another different types of screens it will be available. So then you can tree off. Then automatically the complete document screen will the complete document screen only it will be display. So now I'm ready to post the one document. So slash n FB50. So let me. So for example, I can take one document like rent paid. So rent paid in this transaction. So from rent paid from Axis Bank. So this is the transactions amount 25,000. So based on these transactions, we can generate we can post the document. So like rent account data and bank account. So rent account data to Axis Bank account. Axis Bank account. So amount 25,000. Also amount 25,000. So now we'll post the document. So here in these situations, we can enter the document date. So I already explained document date is nothing but whatever the physical document we are having. So based on the physical document date, we can enter here, and posting date will be automatically display whenever we are posting the document, then automatically the same date will be displayed. So the major difference is posting date means whenever we are post the document, that date is called as a posting date, and the document date is nothing but physical document date. So whatever the document date is mentioned in the physical document, so that is called as a document date. So then select the GL accounts. Before that, we can check our company code REDA, Reliance Digital is we can select, then go to the GL accounts. So here I can select the rent account. So rent paid. So we need to debit in the rent ledger. So select on the debit. So amount is 25,000 and enter. So again, you can select the ledger. It means which bank. So which mode we can pay the rent amount, like cash or bank. If we can choose the bank, then which bank we can select. So select on the Axis Bank, and we can select the credit. So bank amount will be kept in credit side, and the same amount will need to be entered. So then automatically the document it shows the green symbol. It means everything document it will be ready to save or ready to hold, ready to park. So everything perfect. Then before that here the park document option is there F8, and whole document F5. So now we can click on the park document. So here F8, or else we can go to the document. Here also we can available park document and whole document. So based on in the top of the screen here park document is available. Click on the document. So then automatically the document 11 REDA means company Reliance Digital Company Code. So the document 11 was parked in company code. So here we can enter one more document in the same mode, park document mode. So select on the document date. So here we don't have it is just for trial. It is for learning purpose so that I'll enter same date. So here we don't have a physical document. So actually in the real time scenarios we need to enter the whatever the date mentioned in the physical document. That date only we can enter here, and posting date is then it will be automatically picked. And so here reference document header text and class name. So these are all columns. These are all columns. It will be available in optional. So at the time of field status variant, we can assign which field is required and which field is not required. So based on this, so these are all documents we can assign in the optional. So this purpose, if we cannot enter, if we did not enter, then automatically the document will be saved. So then select on the GL account. So select here. So again rent account. So rent pay. So select on the rent GL ledger. So click on rent will be kept in debit side, and amount I will change one more GL account. So 50,000. Again 50,000. So I will post one more GL entry for rent pay transaction. So select an amount 50,000 and rent paid from the same Access Bank. Whatever based on the real time scenarios, Axis Bank or cash, whatever the bank mode or cash mode, whatever we can select. So again, I will select the Axis Bank. So click on the Axis Bank. So kept in credit side and amount 50,000. Enter. Then we can go park document. So the document 12 is REDA, Reliance Digital Company Code. The document 12 was parked in the Reliance Digital Company Code. So this is the one of the this is using with the FB50. Here we can display the park document and whole document options. Or else here how to post park document. So here you can use another FBV0. So FBV0 also slash and FBV0. So this is also document park document. FBV0, how to post the park document. So how to post the park document means we already document in park mode. So this purpose we can, what are the documents in park mode? So these are all documents. Now we can change the post mode. So document number we can cancel and go to the document list and execute it. So here in this company code, we already parked four documents. So like document 7, document 10, document 11, document 12. So these are all four types of documents will parked in parked. So now we can post the document. So how to post the document? FBV0. So using with the FBV0, we can go here and select the document. Then here post. If we can enter the post, then automatically the document will posted, and then after document posting, then only it will be reflected in the financial statements. So document post. So then automatically post only possible without zero balance correct document. Posting is possible only zero balance correct document. So here we can enter wrongly 5,000. So this purpose again we can select then enter and post. So the document 7 was posted in company code. So if it means at the time of document, whatever the debit parameters and credit parameters like debit amount and credit amount both will be equal. Then only we can post the document. Otherwise, we could not able to post the document. Then we can select the one more document. one more document or another like a salaries account. Like now we can pay the now we already paid the salaries. So in this transaction, salaries account data to Axis Bank account. So we paid the salaries from Axis Bank. So in this scenario, we can select the salaries in debit side and salaries account in debit side and Axis Bank account credit side. Everything in then enter and post. So then automatically the document posted in company code REDA. So the remaining two documents. So at the same time, so if we can check the documents using with the T code. So here I can explain briefly. So today completed document posting and document essay document posting like document park and hold. So in this situation, so general document posting using with the FB60 and like debit posting is 40 and credit posting is 50. Whatever like document posting hold document or park document. So here document park in single screen is FBV0. So if we can post the document, if we can park the document directly in single screen using with the FBV0. So like /n FBV0. So this is the document posting. If after park the document, then we can post the document. Document park document posting. Park document park document posting. Posting in single screen and park document posting in double screen. So this is the T codes. So then finally we can check the GL ledger, general ledger line item displays. So regarding this, whatever the documents we can post now. So the each and every document checking purpose we are using FBL3N. So this is the line item general ledger line item display T code. So whatever the all the ledger wise GL accounts. Ledger wise GL accounts line item display purpose we can use the FBL3N. So /n FBL3N enter. So before that, we can select the GL account from GL account to two GL accounts, or else we can leave it and enter the company code, then click on the execute button. Before that, here we can check open items means. So open items and clear items and all items. So now here we can select the all items. Some scenarios like vendor and customer related transactions, we can check the some situations. If we can check the vendor and customer related information, in these situations we can check the open items and clear the items and all items. But now we are checking the SA document, like it is a regular expenditure related document. So this purpose we can check the open items or else all items. So then click on this execute button, then automatically it shows. So in this company, the total number of SA documents we posted here, like rent related documents, up to 9 documents we posted, rent related documents, and this is the Axis Bank related documents, Axis Bank related, and above one is the HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank we can post one document, and cash related we can post the one document, and down arrow you can check Axis Bank. Salaries account we can post the one document, and wages account we can post the one document. Electricity bill we can post the one document. So here we can check. So we can select on the new new GUI means it display one more another screen and enter FBL3N enter, not FBL31 FB/n FBV0. It is using for the park document posting purpose, and go to the document list, click here. So here the document 11 and document 12 is are pending, like the document 11 and document 12 was in park mode. So click here. So here the rent related transaction. So once again go to the previous screen. Here rent related. You can check here rent related 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So rent related 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So rent related already 7 document posted, but rent related one more document parked. But the park document it will not be it will not be reflected in the rent GL account. So these purpose. So whenever the park document will be posted, then only the document will be displayed in the particular GL account. So for example, we can go here. This document previously some documents only display, and remaining 2 documents in park mode. So now this park mode document also we can post, select here and post. Document 11 was posted. At the same time, the pending remaining 12th number document also posted. So then if now we will posted 2 pending park documents also. Now we can check the document. Previously it shows the 7 documents. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 document previously rent related documents. Now recently we can update it to post 2 documents posted, like park document to post park document posted. So now we can check here, enter GL account. So rent related documents, how many documents we need to check? We'll check now. Previously 7 documents. Now 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it shows 9 documents. So it means whenever the document whenever the document park, it will not be reflected in the any financial statement. So whenever the park document posted, then only it will be reflected in the financial statement. It means it will be affected from the particular GL account. So these purpose we can use the park documents. So mainly the main use for the mainly use for the park document is to approval for the top level management. So some of the employees they don't have the proper entry posting. Like there some of the employees they don't have the authority to the particular limit. Some employees having like 50,000, some employees having the 1 lakh. So in these scenarios, the document value is 5 to 10 lakhs. So the situations, the document will be parked. So then top level management will check and post the document if everything is okay. So then we'll go for the whole document. Then we'll go for the whole document. So slash n whole document. So here I already explained whichever the document not having the proper information on the transaction, then we can hold it that then we can hold document. For example, at the time of document posting, we don't have proper information regarding the particular document, like vendor relevant information, like when payment terms and conditions. And bank related bank account information, whatever the information, we did not get proper information regarding the particular document in these scenarios. In this